How to block shorts on YouTube. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to do this both on your phone and on your PC and laptop as well. So first of all, on your phone, well, it's actually very easy. What you want to do is simply scroll down until you see these shorts tab right over here. Then you can actually see a pretty small, like 3 dots in the top right corner of each single short. Now, what you want to do is simply click on there and then click on not interested. So if you do that for every single short you can see over here, don't worry, there are only like 8 or 10. So it doesn't take that long. There you go. We're already at the last one. Then this short section will now be gone from your home screen or your like home page. So now if I scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and keep on scrolling, it will not be here anymore. Now the shorts will still be over here, but they're simply not here on your home screen anymore. So it's easier to not accidentally click on them when you see like a cool thumbnail, for example. Now I do believe that after a certain amount of time, maybe like 30 days, they might come back, but then you'll just have to redo it and they won't be here anymore. Now that I'm here on my PC as well, I do believe that now that I just did that on my phone, these shorts will not pop up here anymore either, which is actually a pretty nice thing. So now I'll just switch to a different account real quick. And now that I'm in a different account, you can already see the shorts right over here, as you can tell. Now I can just simply click on this cross right over there. And when I click on there, it says shelf will be hidden for 30 days. So if you had watched the phone part, I explained that I think that after 30 days on your phone, it will also be back again. But then you can just simply hide it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time.